Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 3-04, the Boiler Clinkering for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be creating parts 3-04, the Boiler Clinkering for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up template MMGS. Okay, so we want front plane. We got this keyhole, it's not actually keyhole, straight slot. That can go in there. I guess that works. Okay, you know what? Let me just delete that one because I want that one in the center. Doesn't make any difference, just my preference. Let me move that away. So I think I grabbed that point there. And point. Oh, interesting. You know what? Let me delete that. Try again. Don't connect to anything at all. There we go. Yeah, that point. That point. There we go. Yeah, I think it's still connected to something else. That's fine. We got there. Okay, so this is going to be 25. And this is going to be 14, I think it was. Yep, 14. If that sounds familiar, it should do. Yeah, we're going to do another one. We've done two of them, shouldn't I? There we go. That and that point go. What's it? Center point. Oh, center point. That's weird. Okay, let's move that in. This is going to be, what's it, 2 mil. So that point and that point. I hope you have dimension select, isn't it? That's going to be 2 mil. This one, this one, going to be 2 mil. This and this. Ooh, it's gonna be. Actually, nope. Delete that one. That's gonna be. What? What's it gonna be over? Yeah, there. Oh. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So actually, that point and that point should be nothing. I think I clicked the wrong point. Oh, come on, slide. Thank you. There. There'll be that point and that point. There we go. That's why you do it. Which makes sense. It's gonna be in this. They're gonna be in the same area. So there we go. There we go. Oh, what's that defined? Ah, don't need these now because that one there defined it all. 2 mil. That's going to shove all two around. That's cool. That worked. And that's going to be 44. So feature extrude 44. You know what? That can go mid-plane. Had enough for a while. Oh, mid-plane. There we go. So there's that part done. Not quite. Now it's that part done. Pop that up. Just double check there's no holes. Nope. That is that part done. So that is part 3-04 Boiler Clinkering done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So if you enjoyed the episode or learned something, click the like button, subscribe, comment, or just enjoyed it. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming, and remember, thank you very much.